Oh man, oh man, oh man, not again. Yeah, I learned the game from Wesley Craven, you can never faze me. Back to back on Voorhees, you should've known I'm crazy. Back to back like my movies made in the 1980s. And back to back like King James with the heat in Miami. Whoa, very important with scary intentions. When they look back, they won't be mad it was Freddy vs. Jason. Yeah, you breathing heavy, it's obnoxious. Yeah, and fuck you about to be unconscious. You need to skate out of the hockey ring. I'ma make you step into my fucking dreams. You gon' make me buy bottles for all my canes. You gon' make me go off on my fucking string. I hated Joe Ways, Jason with that mask, the Wanna Strike sweater and my favorite hat. I'm not sure what it was that really made me mad, but I guess because you killing kids that I could've had. I mean, whoa, you killed them kitties but you slow as fuck. Scared of water, pussy can't even get in a tub. You love her, then you gotta kill the kids for her. Is that your own gore or your mom's gore? I know that you gotta be a killer for. This ain't what she meant when she told you to learn to swim more. Yeah, shiny fingers turn to bloody fingers. Yeah, you getting bodied by a burnt killer. I'm the type of killer that'll diss a killer. And shots find a soft bitch, silent killers. Make sure I hit him with the razor glove, then leave him all fucked up. I killed another one, and you ain't gonna do shit about a single one. I got the wrists with me going back to back. Yeah, I'm gonna slash and slash. I got the wrists with me going back to back. Yeah, I'm gonna snatch your mask.